Hello friends, I'm Reverend Kyra at Unity Bay Area, Houston. And it is a privilege to be with you today and ask the question, what's your altitude? What altitude are you living life in and living life from? Are you at an altitude that has a lot of struggle with winds and are you at an altitude where there's smooth sailing and blue skies? You know, we get to choose every moment what altitude we are aware of in our own consciousness. But then also there are stages and phases of consciousness where we evolve. And we're going to look at those this Sunday and identify, are we at home in who we're being and the altitude at which we're living? And if not, what can we do with that? You know, can we change it? Can we increase our awareness of other altitudes that are available to us? And or just be comfortable with who we are and exactly where we are in our phase of consciousness, in our stage of evolution, and identify with that altitude and find the best possible travel route at that particular altitude. So let's open ourselves to be who we are and feel that fully and experience the power of each of the different altitudes that are available to us. Come join us this Sunday at Unity Bay Area, Houston, 1911 Highway 3 South. We'll be sharing the phases of consciousness and identify what's your altitude. Come join us. Blessings for a fabulous weekend, and get ready for some great music from Ellen Rogers, Patty Rabaza, and Ken Cluck. See you soon. Bye.